Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to recover your Google Drive account. It is too much easy and simple to recover your Google Drive account. So if you want to recover your Google Drive account, so first of all you have to recover your Google account. So for that one, first of all you have to go in the gmail.com. So I'm just I have to go in the web address bar and just type gmail.com. And after that, now you can see here you will get this kind of interface. Okay, so I'm just changing the language. Okay, so I'm just changing this one from here. So first of all you have to use your email ID here. So in this time I'm just using my email ID and I'm just clicking in the next. So now you can see here it's asking me the password, but I don't have password. So for this one just you have to click in the forgot password. So now you can see here it is asking me it's telling me that Google will send a verification code, but I am using the next way. You can recover your Google Drive account using your recovery email address also, but in this time I'm using the verification code. So I am just using the text. Okay, then after that now you can see here Google is sending me verification code, so I am just using. Okay, so Google already sent me a verification code here. Okay, now you can see here I'm just using this one. Then after that I'm just pressing enter. So after this one, so it's giving me the new window to save the new password. So I'm just setting my new password. Okay, yeah, like this. Okay, so again I am confirming the password. One second. So after clicking the save, it's telling me that try again password you haven't used before. Okay, so I have already used this one, so I'm just using this one. Okay, yeah, like this. So after this I'm clicking in the save password. Oh, it's telling me that. Okay, so I think I am just giving the wrong password. I have already used those password previously, so that's why it's giving me error. But it's okay, I'm again trying this one. Oh, then after that I'm just clicking in the save password. So now you can see here my Google account has been recovered. Then after that I'm just clicking in the continue to Gmail. Okay, so after that I'm logging in inside my Gmail. Then after that I'm opening a new tab, and if I type the drive.google.com, so now you can see here my Google Drive account has been recovered successfully. Now you can see here I have already recovered my Google Drive account. So in this way you can also easily recover your Google Drive account. Okay, so first of all you have to recover your Google account. Then after that you will be able to recover your Google Drive account using that email ID, because Google Drive is associated with Google. It is the product of Google, so that's why first of all you have to recover your Google account. After that only you will be able to recover your Google Drive account. So it is too much easy to recover Google Drive account. So hoping that you get ideas to recover your Google Drive account. That's it.